fact it is delicious. And just welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. So today she's preparing everyone's favorite lemon garlic chicken. And the ingredients are as follows. Basically, chicken breast, paprika, oregano powder, chicken seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and garlic sauce. And of course, the hero ingredient, Greek yogurt. So now to marinate the chicken, you add some Greek yogurt, oregano powder, paprika, garlic powder, that's optional, some black pepper, and chicken spices mixture of your liking. So any chicken spices, herb mixture or spice mixture, and some salt. And last but not least, this is the main flavor profile, the toom, aka garlic paste, aka garlic sauce. And you just mix it all together to marinate it. And a bit of extra virgin olive oil, and mix it up, cover it and let it marinate for a couple of hours minimum. Now it's time to prepare the sauce, guys. So in a container you add some Greek yogurt, some tahini sauce, some toom, garlic sauce. So this sauce she makes in batches and she freezes it. So whenever she needs it, she brings it out and uses it for dishes. A bit of salt, pepper, and a bit of chili powder for that little bit of a kick, because I like it with a bit of a kick. And a freshly squeezed lemon juice.
You mix it very well, and then you have to thin it out with some water.
Okay, after you mix it thoroughly, then you thin it out with a bit of water.
Add little by little until you reach the consistency.
You add the water little by little until you get a runny consistency. That's the basically the consistency you're after. Should be a very runny consistency.
Not really runny.
Yeah, not too solid. So semi-runny. Let's call it semi-runny consistency.
It's a little bit solid.
So that's the consistency you're after. It's I would describe it as similar to pancake batter. Very similar to pancake batter. That sort of consistency. And then at this point you add some finely chopped parsley. And you mix it in.
I'll show you the next step.
So now it's time to cook the marinated chicken. So you can marinate it for half an hour, a couple of hours. You can cook it straight away if you like to. But obviously the longer you leave it marinated, the better for the flavors. So in a hot pan, you place some olive oil. And then you start cooking the chicken.
Then stir it until it takes color from the inside.
Don't stir it until it changes color from the bottom side. So once you see there's a bit of color on the bottom, then you stir it, you flip it over. And always cook your protein, whether it's chicken, beef, lamb, whatever it may be, on high heat to sear it. So that way you retain all the moisture inside of it. Otherwise, if you do it on low heat, it'll just the moisture will drain away, and you'll get dry meats and proteins, which you don't want to. So always on high heat. So after a couple of minutes of cooking, she did not touch it. You can see it's got a beautiful, crispy, sort of perfectly cooked chicken, or bottom of the chicken. And this is how you get a perfectly cooked protein in general, not just chicken, whichever protein it is. Make sure it's high heat, and you don't touch it. You leave it alone for a couple of minutes on one side, and then when you check one of them, once you see it's cooked, then you flip all the rest of them. I don't know if you can smell the beautiful aromas coming out of this chicken now. The garlic and lemon and the herbs, they're absolutely intoxicating. Beautiful. Okay, once the chicken is fully cooked, it only took a few minutes on each side. Now you pour the sauce mixture straight on top. And basically all you're after is you want to heat it through. So once it reaches boiling point, once it starts bubbling, you turn the heat off. That's it, you're done. So you're not really cooking it through. It's more just to heat it up and bring it up to temperature. That's all you're doing. Look at those colors coming through now. Absolutely fabulous and delicious looking. Mind you guys, this is all for iftar, for Ramadan. So the last few recipes have been through Ramadan. So she's not even tasting most of these dishes, or most of these recipes for the last few uploads. And she's doing a fabulous job actually. She's got it spot on. Okay, you can see it's starting to bubble up, guys. This is pretty much your cue, your indication to turn the heat off. Your dish is done. So now we're just gonna garnish it and put it on the dining table or the iftar table. So this dish you can eat in many ways. You can have it on a bed of rice. Rice of your choice. You can have it with a bit of fries on the side, or you can have it the way we're having it now, which is with the flat bread, and you just scoop up all the beautiful sauces and enjoy yourself with a bit of pickles and salad. Absolutely delicious. And that's the final product, guys. Looks absolutely delicious. And actually, in fact, it is delicious. Doesn't just look it, it is. Again, you can have it with a bit of rice, a bit of fries on the side, or just dig in there with a bit of bread, any bread of your choice. In our case, we're having some flat bread with it, and scoop up all the juices and the chicken, and chase it up with a bit of simple garden salad or some pickles. Everyone would love this dish, I guarantee it. Garlic, lemon, chicken. Try it, guys, you'll love it. And if you like what you've seen so far, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.